EX1000 NFU Baler for tires out of use, in its fixed and mobile version, have been designed thinking about the following advantages. Reduction of the stored water on the tires, nullifying the negative weight in the transport. Reduction of gathering spaces and fire risks. Avoid the insects and rodents proliferation. Considerable reduction on load times. Achieve a higher control of gathering stocks. Saving on transport costs from 3 to 1, getting the 100% of the useful load. The bale of tires allow us to transport in just 4 trucks the same quantity for which would be necessary to use 10 trucks loaded in bulk. Besides the great economic saving that's supposed to transport the bale tires and the rest of advantages that we have just indicated, we shouldn't forget the environmental benefit of the process. The transport of bale tires allows us to reduce considerably the carbon print, so that more than 2,000 tons of carbon dioxide for each 100,000 tons of transport tires won't be emitted to the atmosphere.